What's up guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to shrink a passenger rear window. First thing you want to do is clean the outside of the glass and the frame around the glass so you have a nice clean surface to work with. Most side windows are fairly easy to shrink, so just make sure you have quality film and you should be good to go. And if you haven't already, make sure you join my social media pages and the Facebook group. If you have any questions, just make sure to reach out. After you clean the glass, spray it with a soapy solution, and then you're going to apply the film with the liner side out. When laying the film, you want the bottom and the side closest to the front of the vehicle, about 1 inch away from the frame of the window. Now that the film is on the glass, you want to create your end pattern with your hard card. This will expose any fingers that need to be shrunk. Make sure not to go too far towards the backside or you will crease the film where it overlaps with the frame. Once you create your end pattern, you want to push the water down. When you get closer towards the bottom, be careful not to push down any fingers or you may crease the film. As you can see, this vehicle only has one small finger that needs to be shrunk. Some vehicles will have a couple more. This just happens to be a very flat glass. And that right there is what a finger that needs to be shrunk looks like. This happens because the film is flat and the glass has curvature, so the film has to be shrunk with a heat gun to match the curvature of the glass. When shrinking a finger, you can either point the heat at the tip of the finger or start from the bottom. Try both and see what works best for you. In this example, I am starting from the bottom of the finger. What I am looking for is the finger to create horizontal zigzag lines, and I follow it up to the tip of the finger. Then I use my MacTac card to push it down. And that is how you shrink a rear side window. Make sure to follow the course and keep practicing.